This 100-pack of solderless LED tape connectors is ideal for building or expanding small lighting projects without needing to touch a soldering iron. Each compact 2-pin connector uses a simple screw terminal design, so attaching 8mm LED strips or short wire runs feels secure and mechanically solid. The connectors handle common low-voltage systems at 5-volt, 12-volt, or 24-volt, making them versatile for many monochrome strip layouts around a home or workspace. Because the screw-down blocks support relatively high current for their size, they work well for joining longer runs of compatible strip without frequent power breaks. The included mini screwdriver matches the terminal screws perfectly, which makes installation and later adjustments straightforward, even in tight spaces. Their small, clean white housings blend in with most decorative strip setups, so the hardware does not distract from the finished lighting effect.